The objective of this activity is using number cards to create the largest 5-digit number, and then we will be rounding off the numbers to the nearest thousand in a game played by two students. So let's understand the concept behind this particular activity. So suppose out of all the digits from 0 to 9, we select any 5 digits. Let the selected digits be 2, 0, 8, 1, 3. You can actually arrange these 5 digits in such a way that the number so formed is the largest. So you have to arrange the digits starting from the largest and then 3, then 2, 1 and 0. So this is the largest 5-digit number formed from 20813. Likewise, if somebody else selects 5 different digits like 7, 4, 3, 9, 2, then the largest number formed from this is 9, 7, 4, 3, 2. This is the largest 5-digit number. Now, how do you round off this 5-digit number to the nearest thousands? For that, you just need to check the last 3 digits here, 210. This number 210 is less than 500, which lies exactly between 0 and 1000. So when you are rounding off a number to the nearest thousand, you have to check the number formed by the last 3 digits of that entire number and compare it with 500. In this case, 210 is smaller than 500. So 83, the number before 210, does not change, and the rest of it becomes 0, 0 and 0. So 83,000 is the nearest thousand of 83, 210. Likewise, if you see here also 432. 432 is again less than 500, so 97 does not change and we have 3 zeros. In case the number here is equal to or greater than 500, then we increase the previous digit by 1. For example, suppose you have 93725. Now 725 is greater than 500, and therefore this 3 becomes 4 and it gives you 94,000 as the nearest thousand of this particular number. So we'll be performing this activity using an amazing game. Let's see the material required. We'll be using number cards in which we will be writing digits 0 to 9, and then we will be using a place value mat. How is that done? Let's understand through this amazing activity.
So this place value game is played between two players. You can see we have drawn a table here. This is known as a place value mat. This is the ones place, the tens place, the 100 place, the 1000 place and the 10,000 place. So we will form a 5-digit number by placing one of these digits from 0 to 9c. We have cut out all the cards from 0 to 9 like this. So what is the beginning of the game is, out of these 10 cards, the player 1 is going to select any 5 random cards. So I am going to shuffle these and keep them in an inverted position so that we don't know which digit is where, and the first player can pick up any 5 digits. So he will take one digit, place it here. According to his choice, he can place the digits anywhere he wants to, like 0, and then the third one here 7, and then 8, and then 4. So the number which is obtained by the first player is 90784. Likewise, the same thing has to be done for the second player. So let's shuffle these digits again so that we don't know which digit is where. Shuffling has to be done thoroughly so that there is no bias in the game and you don't have a choice and the selection is random. So we have shuffled all of them, and now he will choose the digits So let's see, he wants to place it here, and then a 5, and then a 6, then a 4 and a 7. So the number which the second player obtains is 8, 5, 6, 4, 7. The first part of the game is to declare the winner on the basis of the numbers obtained. As you can see, 90784 is greater than 85647, and therefore this is player A's choice and this is player B's choice. So player A wins the game because he gets a larger number. Now the second part is to round off these obtained numbers to the nearest 1000. For that, we have 3 more cards here showing zeros. Why we have selected them, you will just know. 85647. If you see the last 3 digits of this number 647 is greater than 500. So we always have to compare the last 3 digits with 500. So whenever this number is greater than 500, the preceding number, that is this number 5, increases by 1. So 85 becomes 86, and all these 3 digits 647 are replaced by zeros. So what is the nearest thousand of 85,647? It is 86,000. Likewise, if you see 90784, again 784 is greater than 500, and therefore this digit 0 is increased by 1 and all other digits are replaced by zeros. So how do you round off this number here? 5 becomes 6 and all other digits become 0, and therefore this becomes the rounded off number which completes our activity.